Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to withdraw your Sweatcoin to PayPal. So first of all, we'll head over to Sweatcoin application. After opening the application, you will see this interface where you'll have to simply navigate to the app's dashboard and you will see these options. So you will see your Sweatcoin's balance at the top right of the screen. So you're going to see your balance just right here. Now you can go back and you can simply click on your social icon at the bottom right of the screen. Now you'll have to click on your profile icon in the top left of the screen. Now click on the settings gear icon at the top right and you will see this page. Here we are going to click on help and choose other common queries. Now the first query is, can I cash out my Sweatcoin to PayPal or my bank account? So we'll click this and as you can see, at the moment it is not possible to cash out Sweatcoins via PayPal or bank transfer. The long-term vision is to make Sweatcoin a fully fledged currency that will be listed on exchanges. But don't wait for this. Please spend your Sweatcoins in the marketplace with the brand partners that Sweatcoin collaborates with, and PayPal and Amazon vouchers are featured regularly, especially if you are inviting loads of friends. So that's a simple answer to your question that you cannot withdraw Sweatcoin to PayPal or your bank account. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.